Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Firstly, you need to open Settings. Then scroll down and click on Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, you need to click on Manage All and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Send Anywhere. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now blocked, but you can always enable them by tapping on the same No Gray switcher. If you wish to, you can also go back, click on one of your apps over here, and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!